Is technology really required for Nadi Pariksha? This is an important and thought-provoking question, especially in today's world where ancient wisdom meets modern innovation. In traditional sciences like Ayurveda and traditional Chinese medicine, Nadi Pariksha or pulse diagnosis has always played a vital role in understanding a patient's health. With a history of more than 5,000 years, Nadi Pariksha has the extraordinary ability to reveal not only physical disorders but also mental and emotional imbalances. So the question arises again, if this science is so powerful on its own, why do we even talk about technology integration? Let us begin with the very first principle of Ayurveda. Ayurveda clearly states every individual on this planet is unique. No two bodies are the same, no two minds are the same, and most importantly, no two disease conditions are exactly the same. That is why Ayurveda also teaches us that two individuals may suffer from the same problem, receive the same treatment, yet experience completely different outcomes. This is the foundation of personalized diagnosis and personalized treatment. Hence, Ayurveda, TCM, and all traditional sciences demand personalized diagnosis, personalized treatment protocols, personalized diet, personalized lifestyle recommendations. Over the past many years, several companies have tried to integrate technology into this ancient science. They have successfully managed to quantify tree dosha, vata, pitta, and kapha, suggest diet and lifestyle corrections, provide general wellness guidance, and there is no doubt tree dosha analysis is extremely important. It gives us a top-level understanding of balance and imbalance in the body. But here is the critical point. Nadi Pariksha is not limited to Tridosha analysis alone. Nadi is not just about saying you are Vata dominant or you are Pitta Kapha. Nadi has its own diagnostic depth, independent clinical value, and unique interpretative space. Let us take a simple example. Consider a patient suffering from Pitta imbalance. According to Ayurveda, more than 40 different disease conditions can arise solely from Pitta disturbance. So now the challenge begins. How do we know exactly which is the current problem that the patient is suffering and the root cause behind that? It is very important to know the depth, like where exactly is Pitta disturbed, which organ is affected, what type of Pitta is involved, is it chronic or acute, is the root cause physical, emotional, or both? This is where Tridosha analysis becomes only a starting point, a top-level diagnosis, not a complete diagnosis. To reach a true clinical conclusion, a deep and precise analysis is required. This existing limitation clearly demands deeper research, more precision, better pattern recognition, and structured interpretation. In other words, advanced technological integration. Technology can help us understand the type of Pitta disturbance, the location of imbalance, the organ-specific involvement, the progression stage of disease, the mind-body connection behind the condition. And the same depth applies not only to Pitta but also to Vata and Kapha disturbances. So, is technology replacing Nadi Pariksha? Absolutely not. Technology is not replacing the wisdom. Technology is supporting, strengthening, and validating it. When deeply integrated, technology helps capture subtle pulse variations, analyze complex patterns, and correlate them with organ functions and disease pathways. This results in more accurate diagnosis, more patient-specific insights, more evidence-based confidence. At NadiFit, we believe that technology should serve traditional wisdom, not dominate it. By integrating advanced AI technology with Nadi Pariksha, we aim to understand the patient at a deeper level, without asking them questions, without bias, without assumptions. This approach builds trust between practitioner and patient, enhances clinical confidence, improves diagnostic accuracy, supports truly personalized healing. So, is technology integration required for Nadi Pariksha? The answer is clear. To preserve the depth, to enhance the precision, and to bring personalized diagnosis into modern clinical practice. Yes, deep and thoughtful technology integration is essential. When ancient pulse wisdom meets modern intelligence, diagnosis becomes clearer, treatment becomes personalized and healing becomes truly holistic. Please comment, share, and follow for more informative videos.